How to fix YouTube video buffering issue on PC or computer. So if you want to fix your buffering issue on YouTube, then first you need to open up your YouTube application on your browser or on your PC or laptop. And once you've opened your YouTube, now if you simply open up a video, for example, I'll be choosing this one. And if you open up a video, and then if you go to your settings, which is here on the bottom of your video, and then you can check your quality. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, and if you have the video quality to the premium or to 1080 or HD, then you might be having that buffering issue. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you can go to auto, or you can go for 240 or 360. So you can choose these small resolutions, and after that your problem might be fixed with the buffering. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and now you can go for history. And under history you can again click on history, and here you will have all of your history, right? So you need to clear your browsing data, because sometimes if your browsing data is overloaded, or if your browsing data has not been cleared since many weeks or months, then you might have that buffering issue. So simply go for clear browsing data, which is on the left side, click on that, and then click on clear data, and click on OK, got it. And that's how you clear your browsing data. And that's how you clear your browsing data, and now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to turn off your Wi-Fi connection. And after turning that off, you need to go for your router, and you need to turn off the Wi-Fi router for once, and then you need to again open it, and then you can connect to your Wi-Fi. So it might be your internet connection. And once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then remove all of that, and then you can go for your Windows, and here on the bottom right you will have power button. Simply click on power, and then you can go for restart, which is here. So after restarting your device, now your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your YouTube buffering issue, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.